Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have a 2021 Ford F-250 King Ranch Tremor. This one has the Power Stroke 6.7 liter. This is probably one of the best specs I've ever seen on a Super Duty. First of all, it has the King Ranch pack, which is very rare. I've seen one before this. And then it has the Tremor package. I mean, this thing is everything you would ever need. 84,035. Yes, this one. What's the color? Antimatter blue over Java leather. This thing's awesome. Does it have specs on the Power Stroke? Not really. All I know is this thing is a powerhouse, especially in King Ranch trim. I mean, look at this. Oh. Ventilated seats, heated seats. I mean, just about anything you need, this has. This is actually brown headliner. All right. This looks like a platinum Tremor. Yep. That's pretty sweet. Visibility is great, mainly because you're taller than just about every car here. I mean, those F-550s have us beat, but this thing is awesome. I love it. Oh, this thing is awesome. What do we got for drive modes? Normal, tow haul, eco, slippery, deep snow, sand, rock crawl. Let's do tow haul. That might bring on boost a little bit sooner. I don't know. Let's try it. Oh yeah, here we go. Over the bumps. Let's see what this Tremor can do over rougher terrain. Let's try that. Just because I think TC was cutting power. Oh my goodness. Try this off camber turn, which is always a test. I love this truck. Plain and simple, love this truck. This is the best Super Duty I've driven. This is a spec and a half. Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.